in this lesson, we're going to touch briefly on the copy versus cut formula in Microsoft Excel. So what's the difference between copy and cut? Well, copy is used if you want to copy the contents of one cell to another location. And by doing that, you actually keep the original contents in its first location and you're just copying it into its new location as well. On the other hand, cut is used if you want to move the contents of a cell to another location and have it deleted from the previous location. This is also used if you want to move formula. For example, the Financial Analyst generates and exports the raw data of the BMW sales for the current year from its ERP system. Q1 car sales are summarized in the table for the Financial Analyst at BMW below. The sum of the car sales for January are in cell D22, but the analyst wants to move it to cell D23. So in this case, if we want to move it between one cell and the other, we'd actually have to cut it because, first of all, it's a formula. And if we were to just copy the formula, look what happens. The cells are, first of all, not locked. And so when we try to copy it down, Microsoft Excel thinks that we want to copy the formula down and it's going to sum a different range. But there's a couple things we could do here. First of all, if we wanted to just copy it down, we could lock the formulas here by going into the cell using F4 to lock the row and column. And then we could just copy the contents down to car sales. However, in this case, we don't want truck sales to have a value. We just want to portray car sales in cell D23. So I'm going to undo that. And instead of taking that action, I'm going to cut the contents of cell D22 and move them into the contents of cell D23. But if we want to cut the contents of the January car sales from the truck sales row and move them into the car sales row, I'm going to use the cut shortcut here, which is Control X, and I'm going to paste it into cell D23 with Control V, which is the paste shortcut. And as you can see, the contents no longer appear in the truck sales row. They now appear in the car sales row. The formula has still remained intact. It hasn't changed because we actually cut the formula and moved it to a new location. And so it did not get modified in that transition.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video. Hope to see you there.